Good dictation skills in English can offer several benefits for your career and business. The accurate dictation ensures that your written messages are clear and easily understandable. This is crucial in business communication to avoid misunderstandings and confusion. In a globalized business environment, where communication often spans across borders and cultures, good dictation skills enable you to communicate effectively with a diverse audience. Clear and well-dictated communication is vital in customer relations. It helps in building trust and positive relationships with clients and customers. Here's how the process typically works. Listening. A passage is read aloud either by a teacher, a recording, or some other means. Writing. The listener then writes down what they hear as accurately as possible. This involves paying close attention to pronunciation, word choice, and sentence structure. Review. After completing the dictation, the individual reviews their written work against the original passage to identify any mistakes. Dictation exercises can vary in difficulty, but the good news is let's try and get started. House, car, bus, train, bike, chair, table, computer, phone, clothes, shoes, hat, watch, color, red. Set 1 Reputation 2. Let's move on to the next topic. Blue, green, yellow, orange. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time. Morning, afternoon, evening, night, today, tomorrow, yesterday, week, month. Set 1 Reputation 3. Let's move on to the next topic. Year, money, price, buy, sell, market, doctor, nurse, hospital, dentist, police, fire, help, problem, solution. Let's build a community together. Leave your comments below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more interesting content every day. Let's move on to the next topic. Set 2 Reputation 1. Friend, family, brother, sister, mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, baby, child, boy, girl, man, woman, teacher, student, school, university, work, job. Set 2 Reputation 2. Okay, let's continue. Office, boss, employee, money, bank, wallet, credit card, food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, fruit, vegetable, meat, dessert, coffee, tea, water, juice, milk, street, city, country, world, map, travel, vacation, hotel, airport, passport.